Hi John, hopefully this will help. You're actually using forms from this HTTP reusable forms, whatever that says, and all the rest of it. If you go to there, preview the form, which only just shows you a form like that which you can fill in, and at least it works. It can give you a reply, but it does work. And you can download the file here. So let me have a look at what we're going to have a look at. Downloads. This is that PHP contact form with validation. It was a zip file, but now I've unzipped it, so if I double click, that shows me all the files that are required, and that also has a readme text. If I can find that. Oh no, the readme text is in, opens in a browser. There's a browser one. Yeah, there's the readme text, and it tells you what requirements are, and it says open the file named handler PHP. If I go here, handler PHP, no, that's not the one I want, ignore that. Handler note. Yeah, this is a handler PHP file, and it says look for the send email to, and it says here send email to, so I've changed that, whatever it was before, to my email address. It says your email here, echo, whatever that means. I'm not sure, but that's the only bit I've got to change. It also says update the set from, open brackets, close brackets, call to reflect your email address. I can't find anything. If I do a search, that set from doesn't look. I can't find that in that file. Anyway, I've changed that to my email address, and I'll just go file, save. Okay. Then it says upload this whole folder, not just that file, but the whole folder to your website. So you need to go into FileZilla or something similar, and here I am in my host, and somewhere down here I've found where the PHP contact form with validation. You've got to shorten the name a bit, but I've uploaded that whole thing to my file. Let me just see if I can find it on this side. Just refresh that F5 just in case. No, it's not in temporary images. That's why it's in downloads. But anyway, I've uploaded it to my server up here, and that's that. And basically, it reflects everything that's in there, and the only file that I've actually changed in that folder is just to move up here. Whoop, I hate that. This up here is that handler PHP, which has now got my email address on it. And then I can actually test that site, because all I need to go there is to go to that form page HTML on my server. So let me do that. Okay, and they've gone to parkston.com, which is my server, and then it's rather long folder name php-form-with-validation, and then form page HTML, which was part of the thing we downloaded. If we go to that, you come up with this contact us form. So I'm going to just type egg. Test.1. Okay, put your name, which my name is Egg, and I'm going to use another different email, eggram@gmail.com, and I'm going to send that. And it says contact us. Please send your message below. We will get back to you at the earliest. Posted your message successfully. So using their form page HTML, that form got sent correctly. If I bring up Firefox, not Firefox, can't remember what this is now. Oh, Thunderbird, yeah. Thunderbird, and go get messages. This contact form submission comes in. Let's move this up a bit. And it says form submission message tut1 test tut1 name egg and my email address. So that's sent successfully. However, you probably don't want to be using this form page HTML in its current form. So when you want to use that in, I'm going to copy that. Oh, okay, I've determined that the form is working. So now I want to place that form into Xara, or a Xara generated site. And the way I do that is to place that form into a placeholder. So I've created, I always use purple rectangles for my placeholder, and I'm going to go into, and I always keep on my desktop a little notepad file called iframe, and it's just got basically iframe code, and I've got that, if I look to that form there, this is the URL of that. So if I copy that URL and I can paste it into the iframe source, I've already done this, but I'll just go Control V so it's pasted in again. I'll set the width to 940 and the height to 1000. At the moment I'm not quite sure of that, but that's, you can mess around with that and get whatever you want. Scrolling no, frame border nil, margin height nil, margin width nil, and that ends the iframe. I don't know where this bit comes from either. Bit of duplication going on there, I don't know why. But hopefully that should do it. So I'm going to copy that, Control copy. I'm going to select this placeholder. I've got a placeholder here, and in the body section of the placeholder I'm going to go Control V to copy that in there. Click OK, apply. I'll just click OK there, and I'll preview that site. And because the actual PHP code is not in the head, it's actually on the server, it will preview in Xara on your local computer. He said thankfully, and here it is. And if I put message test tut2 egg again, so we know it's the second one, email is what was it? eggram@gmail.com. If I hit send, it actually sent. It says posted your message successfully. So all I have to do now is go to my email client, so I keep forget the name of Thunderbird, and just hit get messages. There's this contact form come in, form submission, message test 2, egg again, and that's it working. It can get very confusing working between 3 or 4 files, but that's the way to do it. And obviously if you want to change this background image, you can change that by going into the images file. There's that image file, but if you could change that, probably keep the same name, but change that, that'll give you a different background. And that's probably the easiest way of doing it. Anyway, this is Egg, and I hope that helped you. Good night.